Hey guys, welcome to Chasing the Woodsman. I am Ryan. For today's video, I'm going to be taking you through what it looks like to build forms and pour concrete. Not really in the how-to when it comes to building forms and pouring concrete for a foundation, but more so just showing you that you can do it. Anybody can do it. If you have a good cement mixer, a pallet full of concrete, good weather, and water, you can pour your own forms. With that, I kind of want to introduce you into my barn that I have. Really, it's a post and beam building. I call it my pole barn. I don't really know what you would call it. All I do know is that I made it out of trees that fell around my property a couple of years ago. I seized the opportunity and I produced a building out of those trees. In the near future, I'm gonna post a montage clip or montage video of what it looked like as we peeled the bark and we collected the beams, and in the process my tractor braking and how I raised this thing up. And it was quite an interesting process, a fun process, a learning experience. So I'll take you through that. But for today's video, I'm just going to show you what it looks like to pour foundation. You may be wondering, well, why not just pour a whole slab? There's many reasons. I'm not going to really get into them right now. Just one of them is that I can't get a cement truck up here right now, as well as cost and load restrictions on our roads and timing, everything that's going on right now. It's just easier for me to pour the forms for a foundation, get this thing going with my 2x6 walls, the siding, the insulation, the wiring, all that comes with producing a building. Later down the road, when weather gets better, I will do an in-shop pour, and I'll take you through what it looks like to do that. Really not too hard of a job. But for right now, this is what I got going. I'm quite excited about it. So let's take a look. Might be wondering what the heck I'm doing. I put too many bags in here and I didn't put water into it first. So if you guys are looking at using a cement mixer, I'm sure there's professionals out there that have better opinion than I. Stick a bucket of water in first. It kind of stops that sticking from below. It kind of, that water seals the dry cement at the bottom of the barrel. Right now, being that I put one too many bags in here, I'm trying to get to where I have a good mixture all the way through. No dry clumps, a good mixture of water to concrete, making sure everything flows well. But I put too many bags in here, causing kind of a clump at the bottom of the cement mixer. As you guys just saw, I'm doing a water bag. This mixer can take 4. I'm sure it can maybe take some more. I find that 3 bags is easy. It mixes well. It doesn't stick or clump to the bottom. I'm putting a bucket of water in first, then the bag of cement, bucket of water, bag of cement, bucket of water, bag of cement. Helps keep track. It also feels like that there's a good mix between the water and the cement as it's going in those layers. All right, guys, I think that does it for our video today. I didn't give a lot of how-to or instruction on pouring concrete. I just wanted to bring you on the journey of what I got going on here with this barn build. I got plenty more to go. I have plenty more forms to pour. I got walls to build and put up. I have siding to put in. I'll go through the insulation of it, the wiring, the on and on and on. There's a lot to do with this project. So as far as this concrete, I just mainly wanted to take you on the journey of what I got going with this build. With that, I also wanted to show that anybody can pour concrete. There's 2 things to remember. Number 1 is concrete. It'll always get hard. Number 2 is it will crack eventually. Other than that, it's not rocket science. Anyone can pour it. Get your hands on a cement mixer. It took 27 bags to do this, of the 80-pound bags. I think that would have been pretty difficult if I just had a wheelbarrow and a shovel. So if you're considering pouring your own forms or doing some small slabs, get your hands on a cement mixer. I really encourage it. It didn't take too many hours. I mean, laying the rebar, making the forms, digging the trenches, on and on and on. I have quite a few hours in that part, the prep work. It's going to take you a while, but getting the cement poured, it doesn't take too much time. I do have to do some more finish work on this. I need to edge it as it dries out a little bit more. I'd like to get more of a smooth finish on this. That way when I get my slab poured inside here for an in-shop pour, it has a good smooth finish, especially because I'm mainly going to be doing woodworking. I want to be able to sweep up my sawdust. So thanks for coming on this journey with me. Give me a like and subscribe, and then be blessed in all you do. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks.